Good evening, Santiago Clay for the Universidad Técnica Particular de Loja here. So today we're going to be talking about the second language applications, interacting, noticing, processing, and practicing. So first of all, we need to understand that interactive is a very important part of a second language application because of course, you are going to be interacting with other people if you want to learn a second language. That's the main goal of learning a second language in the first place. You will be going to interact with other people. Therefore, you want to know how to do so. Of course, we also have noticing. Noticing is part of every human being's skills. Everyone is able to notice certain things. And of course, there are differences between how much you may notice. And of course, the more you notice, the easier speaking another language is going to be for you as a person. So, if this is the case, by practicing this skill, by practicing this application, you will be going to be able to understand hidden messages. And of course, in the end, you're going to be capable of reaching a better understanding and a better comprehension. And of course, the best possible communication. Now, processing. Processing is a very important part of communication because if you cannot process, you cannot have a communication, you cannot communicate. And it's a very simple reason. Whenever we do anything, not just speaking or reading or anything like that, whenever we do anything, we are going to be processing everything in our heads, in our brains. So we can conclude that processing is something very important that we have to do internally in order to reach a proper communication level. And of course, practicing. The more we practice, the better we will speak. And this goes for everything, including the past 3 features we have just discussed. So the more you practice about interacting with other people, about noticing hidden messages or processing information and other things, you're going to be about to become the best possible English speaker you are going to be. So that's everything I can say. And as a conclusion, of course, I can say that the most important one for me is practicing, because the more I practice, the better I become. So get out there and start practicing. Thank you very much.